In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Canva email templates for Klaviyo. Email marketing is an essential tool for engaging with your audience, and using eye-catching templates can really make a difference. So, let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to head over to canva.com and log into your account. Canva offers a wide range of design tools that make it easy to create visually appealing content, and it's perfect for this task. Once you're logged in, use the search bar at the top and type in email newsletter. This will bring up an array of professionally designed templates specifically tailored for emails. Take your time to browse through these options and pick one that suits your brand style and the message you want to convey. Now, it's time to design your email. This step is where your creativity can truly shine. Customize the selected template by adding your logo, choosing relevant images, writing captivating text, and placing call to action buttons. When it comes to designing, it's important to keep your recipient in mind. Make sure the design is not only attractive but also easy to navigate. A key aspect to remember while designing is to maintain a clean and responsive layout. This means your design should look good across various devices, ensuring that recipients can view your email effortlessly, whether they're on desktop or mobile. After finalizing your design, download it as a PNG or JPEG file. These formats are generally preferred because they provide a good balance between image quality and file size. Now let's switch over to klaviyo.com and log into your account there. Once you're in, go to the content section, then templates, and click on create campaign. This is where you'll start building your email using Klaviyo's tools. To bring your Canva design into Klaviyo, you'll want to use the image block within the drag and drop editor. Simply upload the file you downloaded from Canva, and boom, it's now part of your email template. As you build, make sure to preview how the email looks, ensuring it's visually appealing on both desktop and mobile platforms. This is crucial for making your emails accessible and professional. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to keep in mind for the best results. Keep text minimal on your Canva design. Add essential details directly into Klaviyo to enhance readability. Use Canva elements wisely, avoiding too much text within images since it won't be selectable or searchable. Don't forget to test different designs using Klaviyo's A/B testing feature to see which ones perform best. Lastly, optimize your images for deliverability by compressing them to reduce loading times. And there you have it, you've created a beautiful email template that's ready to engage and delight your subscribers. Thanks for watching and happy designing.